300 kg of lentils. Everyone is sitting here, one next to each other. This is wonderful, really. It's hard to put into words. Buongiorno guys, it's Max Sinestra. I'm in front of the Golden Temple, the biggest Sikh temple in the world. And I'm here with my local friend Amritpal.
Hi.
So what are we going to do today?
Today we are going to explore Harimandir Sahib or the Golden Temple. We're going to know about its history, its importance. We're also going to explore the world's biggest kitchen that feeds around 100,000 people a day. And all this is done by volunteers. The community comes together, they donate the food, they cook the food and they serve the food to all the people, irrespective of their caste or where they're from, whether they are Sikh or whether they are not.
Wow, I just can't wait. Shall we go?
Yeah.
Andiamo. The Golden Temple is the most sacred and spiritual place for Sikhs. So before entering and exploring this magical place, there are a couple of things that everyone must do. So what are the things that we need to do before entering the Golden Temple?
Okay, before we enter the Golden Temple, there are two things that we need to take care of. The first one is that we need to cover your head. And the second one is that we need to deposit our shoes. They have provided the shoe houses and they will give you a coupon as a reference number to get your shoes back. And the second thing, to cover your head, they provide clothes near the entrance. You don't need to spend even a single penny if you wanna visit the Golden Temple.
Cool, ready to go, andiamo. Right, and this is the color that I was really looking for.
The saffron color?
This is the Sikh color, right?
This is color of war.
Oh, didn't know that.
Colors of warrior.
And everyone can wear like whichever color they prefer, right?
Yeah, like I'm wearing red today. This is called parna.
Parna.
A smaller version of turban. We wear this in our household because it's more comfy.
How do I look?
Okay,
Thank you, let's go.
Sikhism was founded by Guru Nanak Dev Ji in 1469. We have world's biggest kitchens running. We offer our services in moment of crisis in different parts of the world without discriminating anyone on basis of their caste, their language, or whether they know what Sikhism is or not. Last living Guru, the mortal Guru, was Guru Gobind Singh Ji. He is the one who gave the current form of Sikhism.
So we go inside the kitchen?
Yes, let's go inside.
Let's go. Now we're going to the peeling station where they peel the veggies.
So this is area where they peel the vegetables.
Okay.
The chef receives them ready. So they are peeled, they are cut. The only job of the chef is to cook them.
Ginger, onion. I'm about to cry because of the onion. You too. Hello. Thank you. Okay, let's peel some onion. I haven't worked in the kitchen. I'm good at eating actually. Wow, that was good. See, they're peeling everything. Tomatoes.
This is, the guy has an amazing speed of cutting it.
Wow, it's very fast. Hello. Look at these giant pots. It's incredible. All right. Watch out. People are carrying, I guess, veggies. Oh, mamma mia. I've never seen anything like that.
This is like the milk station. So all the milk that is donated, they boil it here and then they store it into the candies. They have such a high quality of milk that it is even safe for the baby. The milk that you are about to drink, it is one of the most healthiest milks in the world because there are no preservatives, nothing is added, because all the milk that comes here, that is donated voluntarily. So when you are donating something voluntarily, you don't need to add anything into it.
Everything is organic?
Organic.
Okay. It is hot. Oh wow, it is good. Look, I normally don't drink much milk, but this is really good. Oh wow.
The temple doesn't just offer food, it also offers 24-hour tea and coffee. They also cook snacks that are supposed to be served with the tea, like pakoras. Pakoras are the most common snacks that they serve with the tea.
Shall we check? Yeah. These pots, I don't even know if I can call it pots, but are huge. Oh wow! Oh, he's putting lentils in it.
Yeah.
He's making dhal. Wow! Oh, what does he put inside? Dhal?
Whatever is donated, but the dal, the kheer and the chapati, they are consistent.
How many kilos he makes here?
Kinne kilo ji ya? Kinne kilo? 100 kg rice is about to go in.
Oh, 100 kilos of rice is going in. Oh my God. Plus lentils, ghee.
Yeah, they also cook around 100 kgs of lentil at a time.
Oh wow. Oh my goodness. That is heavy, huh? I think I'm going to pass it to the master. Thank you so much. This is incredible. You need to see it yourself to believe.
That is tea.
That is tea? Oh my God. That is endless. I mean,
Tea.
3 huge pots of tea. They never run out of tea, huh? I can tell that they love it. Hello.
That is the main kitchen.
Oh, wow.
Let's wash our hands first.
Hygiene here is very important.
Are you ready to meet the world's biggest chef?
Born ready. Andiamo. Oh, wow. Look at the wood, the mountain of wood. Hello.
He is the world's biggest chef. He is the one who cooks at the Golden Temple kitchen.
Oh, wow.
He's asking you, where are you guys from?
I'm Italian. Italy. Very nice to meet you. Hello, everyone. Hello.
This is the main kitchen. Stand on it. The floor will be hot. Yes.
Oh, wow.
300 kgs of lentil.
300 kg of lentils.
This is 8 quintals of lentil, 4 in one shot, 4 in another shot.
8 quintals, 800 kilos of lentils that we will cook overnight by the master. Chili.
Grinded chili. This one is for the lentil, that is for the second cuisine.
Okay. And he will add everything inside, right? How long has he been doing this for?
Since 1990.
Oh, see, 1990 when I was born. So 32 years. Oh my goodness. I can feel it, it's very hot because there is a fire underneath. This is heavy, doing this over time.
Yeah, they have to consistently keep on doing it so that nothing gets stuck on the bottom. Exactly. Because the heat is way too much.
Because otherwise you waste food. How long does it take it to be cooked?
3 hours.
3 hours. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Let's check what we have here. Oh, this is rice.
They are preparing kheer. Kheer is like a dessert. It's like milk and rice pudding.
And kheer is made of rice, milk and sugar.
That one was main course. This is the dessert.
All right. They're cleaning the rice and they will throw it in the giant pot. The guys wanted to be in the video. We are cooking all together. They're so friendly, so nice. So far the experience has been wonderful. I highly recommend. You will meet people like this. It's just once in a lifetime experience. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much.
This is the traditional kitchen. So they use woodwork here.
Using wood fire is just the best because it really gets the original flavor out of the dish ingredient. Few more friends want to be included in the video. All of our friends there. Enjoy your break. People here are extremely friendly, very nice, very welcoming.
That is donation.
Oh, wow. Our friend Amritpal is giving us exclusive insight of the Golden Temple. Oh, before I fall down. This is the story of the food donated by the people.
People donate whole grain of wheat. They need to crush it to make it into flour. Okay. So these are the machines that do that.
I never seen this mountain of wheat in my life. Well, you need to feed 100,000 people per day, I mean. Yeah. Here is the chapati section. Let's take a look. The smell is incredible. Look, everyone working to make the chapati. Everything starts here, apart from, of course, making the dough in another area. So they portion in it, they roll in the dough, then they flatten in it, and then moving on to this other section where they cook it. So they flip in both sides. As you can see, there is a flame underneath, and you can really smell the, roasted bread, the charcoaly bread. At the end, they put it in those buckets.
We call them tokri. So they're like baskets that are made from sticks. And then these tokris are taken to the area where they serve the food.
And I just want to say again that everyone here is volunteering.
Every single one of these people are volunteers. They are just doing this for community.
This is really unbelievable. I have personally never experienced anything like that. All right, this is the dining area. Look, everyone is sitting here, one next to each other. New people are coming.
There is more than enough space.
How many people can fit here?
I think around 2,000, 2,500.
Oh wow, 2,000, 2,500, that's a lot.
And they have the same setting on the ground floor as well.
So you grab your tray, then we put a cup, and some cutlery as well, yes. Thank you. All right, they're going to serve us some food. Here.
Dessert.
See, they're serving more food. And everyone can say yes and no depending on what they want. And it's unlimited. You can get as much as you want. Thank you so much. This is amazing, really. Look, this beautiful food. We got some homemade bread. Then we have dhal. We saw the gentleman making it before. And chickpea with potatoes. And it's coming with water, right? That is all filtered water. All right, it's time to eat. Let's try some dhal. We saw dhal being made before. Oh, voila. It looks very nutritious, eh? All right, let's try it out. Oh man, it's really good. That is rich. You really get nice food here. Vegetarian food, nutritious, flavorful, healthy. Okay, I want to try the kheer. Oh yeah, really milky. Yeah, it's like a sweet rice pudding.
Rice pudding, yeah.
Oh wow, rice as well. Oh yes, a bit of rice. Thank you. Pickles as well, wow. I mean, this is more about the experience. This is wonderful, really. It's hard to put into words. But once in a lifetime, you got experience. We finished eating, now we're going to grab our tray and go to the washing area, right?
Yeah.
Let's go downstairs.
We go on the first floor.
Yes. Look at the cleaning production. Look. Look how many plates. Those are the dirty ones. Oh wow, this is beautiful. Oh mama mia. It is just so beautiful. It's hard to describe with words, to put it into words. You just need to, I guess, experience for yourself.
You must at least come here once.
I wanted to ask you, what is the meaning of the holy lake?
Amrit means holy nectar, and Sar is the word for Sarovar. So it is a lake, a holy lake that is filled with holy nectar. So the people, when they come to the temple to pay their respects, usually take a dip in the lake. It's like taking a dip in the holy water, washing away your sins by taking a dip in the lake.
Okay.
What we do is we apply it to our eyes and then a little bit on our head, then trying to sprinkle on you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you get out.
That was nice.
That is called small bath.
It was a wonderful experience that I will remember forever. And to complete the day, we had a delicious hot drink outside the Golden Temple. Wow. He's putting saffron on top, right? Wow. So you said this is high quality milk?
That's basically fat little milk.
Fat milk.
Fatty is
Whoa. Yes. Thank you. Voila. Oh, looks beautiful, huh? It's good?
Good, good.
Okay,
Powerful, powerful.
Yeah, powerful. I hope so. Let me try it out. It's nice. It's actually not too sweet. It's nice. You can really taste the quality. I can taste the saffron, and it's beautiful. I love rose petals, the colors on top. Maybe put some almonds. I like it. Very nice. I've never seen anything like that. That is good. Acha. Very good. Thank you. All right, guys, that's it for today. It was a wonderful experience, really. A life-changing experience. I really want to thank you for this wonderful experience,
Oh, I enjoyed it too.
for the explanation, for taking us to nice spots, for showing us around.
Yeah, that is why I was here.
Thank you. And if you guys want to have the same experience as I had, you should contact.
We own a company called Planet Amritsar Incorporated Amritsar, and we provide in-depth behind-the-scene experiences. You can contact us and we will take you on an adventure. Thank you.
I will leave all the details in the description box down below. Thank you so much, man. It's been a pleasure. Ok, andiamo.